Trump just launched a meme coin. My new Donald Trump official meme is here. It's time to celebrate everything we stand for. Winning. Join my very special Trump community. Get your Trump now. Currently, that stands at a $13 billion market cap.
Donald Trump just launched a meme coin. Insane. Price is going crazy right now. This is a Solana meme coin, right now $64 with an almost $13 billion market cap, currently tradable on very limited exchanges, or actually easy to buy with Venmo or Apple Pay right on his website, not financial advice. I can't believe this is happening. How did we get here? Why did he do this? What comes next? The story behind this project is crazy. Smash the like button, send this video to one friend who's looking for answers. It all started on January 17th, 3 days before Donald Trump's inauguration. On this night, Trump's new crypto czar, David Sachs, hosted a crypto ball in Washington. The biggest names were in attendance.
Crypto ball, baby! Let's go!
The hottest performers, the most reputable people, and biggest grifters.
I'm here directly from the crypto ball in Washington, D.C. As you can see behind me, it is a large crowd. Crypto is going to be a very big part of the future, and President Trump has managed to galvanize so many in this community together. The support in the room for him is amazing, and the projects and the names of the people involved are even bigger. So the reality is reporting live to you, crypto is definitely backing Donald Trump bigly. So pay attention to what's more to come. Thank you, and signing out. See you soon.
At this event, in front of so many crypto movers and shakers, David Sachs once again declared that Donald Trump and this new administration will be supporting crypto like never before.
The reign of terror against crypto is over. And the beginning of innovation in America for crypto has just begun.
At this same time, during the crypto ball, Trump's meme coin launched in stealth. Today's video is brought to you by SilentSwap. This is my go-to platform to send, swap, and bridge my crypto in private with ease at the lowest cost, 100% non-custodial and safe. With SilentSwap, there is no traceable connection between wallets. I'll link my full tutorial video in the description. Use my affiliate link for 10% off all platform fees. Nobody at the event seemed to have any clue that it happened. Nobody owned any. Nobody knew anything about it. Choose Rich Nick actually went live documenting the initial hours of the launch.
We're live at the crypto ball, and the official Trump token just launched. People are going absolutely crazy here. Oh my God. These people are just, everyone can't even believe it. They're shocked that it's gone here. Actually, I'm one of the only people at this event that owns the token. This guy right here, he owns the token also. Thank you to Nick. Send me the CA. I sent him the contract address. We've doubled our money. And apparently Trump bought Tron. What the hell is going on? Nobody here owns the token. Nobody. Literally nobody, other than me and this guy. I keep trying to get people the contract address, and they're like, what the hell are you talking about, bro?
And this has been confirmed. It seems close to 0 people at the crypto ball knew anything about Trump's meme coin launch. 0.
So I just got back from the crypto ball, and as you saw in the videos, literally nobody at this event was aware of the token. There were basically 5 degens at the event who knew anything about what was going on. But yeah, nobody had any idea. I couldn't get anybody to comment on it whatsoever. There were people who said they bought it 100K, and one of the guys next to me ended up making like a significant amount of money. But in general, nobody had any knowledge of this token.
It is so hard to believe that Donald Trump would actually do this. I mean, some people thought Trump's account was hacked. I thought it was hacked initially, but this is real. Eric Trump proudly confirmed this. I am extremely proud what we continue to accomplish in crypto. Trump is currently the hottest digital meme on earth, and I truly believe that World Liberty Finance will revolutionize DeFi and CeFi and will be the future of finance. We are just getting started. Eric Trump, of course, has spoken before on why the Trumps are so supportive of crypto.
Guys, I've seen
the modern financial system be weaponized. I've seen politics be weaponized. I've seen the legal system in this world be weaponized. And it's one of the reasons that I love crypto. It's one of the reasons I so strongly believe in DeFi. I saw you guys go through those same attacks every single day. I saw them come after you. I saw them strip your bank accounts. I saw them cancel you like crazy. The same thing that they were doing to us because we were running for politics is the exact same thing that they were doing to the crypto industry.
So is this a good idea or is this a bad idea? What do you think about Trump's new meme coin? Comment below your thoughts on Trump's meme coin. Because there are basically two schools of thought behind this, I think. Either you think this is a major scam or you think this is incredibly exciting. Some people, like CoffeeZilla here, say that this is clearly a scam, grift, bad idea.
This distribution is like insane. It's historic in its stupidity. It's historic in its grift. The level of scam here to use the days before your presidency, your inauguration, to use that as a hype project for the meme. 80% is owned by the Trump camp. Only 20% goes to the public. 10% went to the liquidity pool and 10% went to the public allocation. In addition, $12 million has been made in fees already just on the trading volume.
And then others in crypto seem really excited about this. They say Trump is the man, we should support Trump like Trump is supporting us, Trump won't fail, this meme won't fail. I mean, listen to this insane reaction.
This is the President of the United States of America. He supported crypto. He's the one that's been pumping this. So you need to support him. Go and buy and ape the out of this coin now. Under $100 is cheap because we've got 4 years of this shit, mate. 4 motherfucking years of the president pumping the Trump coin. This is day one. This is real. This is some real shit, mate. Did you ever feel like you could be living this? We dreamed this stuff, mate. We dreamed the craziest shit. And now it's like, it's a fucking life. Like we're here right now, the president launching shit coins, man. I can't wait for his next launch. I can't wait for the next thing. Whatever it is, I'm buying, I'm getting involved. This is him. This is real. This is us. We are riding this shit to the fucking stratosphere, mate. Like this. This is day one. Day fucking one. Day one, man. Day one. Where's it gonna be? Where's it gonna be in 4 years of his presidency?
And even CoffeeZilla agrees with that. Over the next 4 years, Trump coin could be really big.
How do you expect people to lose interest in a coin when the guy is running the free world?
The biggest issue, of course, besides the fact that this seems just like a general money grab, is the fact that insiders control nearly 80% of all coins. I mean, at least he's pretty transparent about this on the front page of his website. Insiders control 80%. They'll gain access to these vested tokens over the next 3 to 12 months. CoffeeZilla explains what we know.
So basically, Trump launched this through CIC Digital, who I think he launched his other NFTs with. According to this article by ABC, CIC Digital is fully owned by the Donald Trump Revocable Trust. So it's kind of unclear exactly, like, is he getting paid a licensing deal for this? Is he just one of the guys? It's not that clear. I think that's kind of intentional that it's not that clear. Here's the creators, here's the allocation. So there's 6 groups who are getting the rest of the 80%, and they're all labeled very obscurely. Like, it's just creators in CIC Digital 1, CIC Digital 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. That's all the description we get, at least on this page. And you can see that they're not locked up at the start. They have a 3 to 12 month lockup duration, depending on the group. And basically, they unlock over 24 months. That's the punchline. So over 3 years, all of this will be unlocked. This token will be diluted by the rest of that 80%.
And you know that Hawk Tuah, Haley Welch, who seemed to have just gotten canceled for doing exactly this just weeks ago.
There's an actual, like,
Hey
source
guys,
of income.
I hate to interrupt you, Nick. Hello there. But anywho, I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Okay. I guess we're talking over here, and I don't know if,
She's got to be looking at this and asking, hey, can I come back now, y'all? Why can Trump do this and I can't? So to me, my thoughts on all of this, just like some of the other tchotchkes that Trump was selling during his campaign run, to me, this is a bad look. Unless maybe the money's going to charity or something like that. But then on the other hand, I think, well, if Trump can do this, why can't many other people do this? I think crypto's about to get really big. It's next order of magnitude up. We might start seeing other celebrities, athletes, companies start doing this. We could see a super cycle in crypto like we've never seen before, perhaps with a dot-com bubble-like bust once we get to the top. At the moment, millionaires continue to be minted as we speak. Donald Trump just made a massive buy, 20 million Ethereum. Trump's altcoin wallet is growing. We've said for years that 2025 will be the biggest crypto bull run of all time. And to me, it looks like it's happening. Strap in, my friends. Subscribe to Altcoin Daily. Stay informed. If you're interested in making money in crypto, subscribe to Altcoin Daily right now and watch our video content daily. We're all waiting, we're all watching for the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve.
Our currency is crashing and will soon no longer be the world standard, which will be our greatest defeat, frankly, in 200 years. There will be no defeat like that. That will take us away from being even a great power. Who knows, maybe we'll pay off our $35 trillion, hand them a little crypto check, right? We'll hand them a little Bitcoin and wipe out our $35 trillion.
But how do you...
And breaking news, Melania Trump now just launched her own meme coin? Wow. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to see what happens next.